हेलो ब्यूटीफुल पीपल, ग्रीटिंग्स ऑफ द डे टू यू। आशा करता हूँ आप सब ठीक होगे। वेलकम टू माय न्यू चैनल कॉरल जेल द सी स्ट्रेंथ। स्वागत है आप सभी लोगों का मेरे नए चैनल पे जिसका नाम है कॉरल जेल द सी स्ट्रेंथ। And in this channel, I will be covering my fishing expeditions and frequently posting updates, may it be salt or freshwater fishing. We will also be looking at the gadgets I use, also unboxing new fishing related equipments like baits, shads, lures, rods, reels, etc., whichever is related to fishing. And in today's video, we are going to unbox a package from Angler's Choice Bangalore. So without any further ado, let's jump right into it.
निकल पड़ा वो तो और नीचे
Welcome back. Let's look on to the details of what you just saw. The Nova Frog rubber shad, that's Nova 65 frog. This is a good quality rubber shad available in 7 odd colors. I chose this color. This is called as the poison color. This is the first time that I would be using a Lucana's product. In totality, the feel of the shad is very good, and the color also is um, appealing. And it comes with mustard hooks, which is thick, and the hooks are very sharp. And I like the way the hooks are pointed, and the hook quality is also very good. And it's a well balanced frog if you see. And the skirt of the frog is also giving it a 3D kind of a look along with its 3D eyes. Well balanced frog, as I already said, and that skirt would be for the extra ripples in the water. I guess it's a silicone 6.5 centimeter, close to about 2 inch 2.5 inch, I'm not sure, frog, 18 grams in size, and looking forward to fish with it. Let's see what action it has in water, and I'll keep you posted and updated of what I catch. Next is the black deeper live shrimp. Looking at it for the first go gives me a great look, great texture and great quality lure. Really looking forward to fish with it. It's available in nearly 6 different color variants. Um, and I'm sorry, I had to unbox it with one hand. One thing that I like here is their logo, which says fish can swim but they can't hide. Now let's talk about the lure in details. Black Deeper has done a great job in packaging this product as it avoids any accidental damage just while courier and when it reaches you. The feel is great, the texture of the shrimp is really good, and the quality of the roll is very good, as it feels very premium in your hands. And It's available in nearly 6 different variants. Comes with a VMC hook, which is weedless. Now, what weedless hooks do are it avoids your lures to be snagged in any kind of vegetation or rocks because it's pointed upwards and it hides under the skirt of that particular lure. Like for example, there's a cavity in between. So very good hook. The quality is very good. EMC is a trusted brand always, and this hook has a contour below with a weight attached to it, so that allows your lure to be casted far away. The size of this is 4 inch and it weighs nearly 16 grams. It has a good action under water, and especially if you're targeting barramundis, groupers, snappers, this is a very good lure to begin with. And you can see the tail has a very 3D swing to it, and it feels really good. And here is some action underwater. You can see how dynamic it is. The good thing is that the tail is being jointed with a mesh, so there's less chances of a fish grabbing it by tail and splitting the lure apart. So good job. Now let's have a look at the Z-Rec fish trap 65 that is 2.5 inch 10 gram lure that I ordered. Very beautiful lure. I personally awaited this, and it comes in many big variants as well, of the size of 110 meters, that's 4.3 inches and above. This is the 2.5 inch variant. It's a beautiful soft plastic rubber shad constructed with the tear resistant material, that's TPE material, that allows fish not to basically tear away your lure into two different parts, especially when it's a soft lure. First thought about this product is it looks very good. It has a unique shape to it, especially the grub tail, which we'll be speaking about later on. And That's how it looks right there. Thoughts about this product: beautiful rubber shad constructed with tear resistance to avoid it being into two pieces. It has a wire internally that's very unique, which stands it from the bite force, and it helps in longer usage of the product. Its unique feature is its grub tail. The grub tail actually causes vibrations on the retrieve, which attracts the silent lurking predators of the environment that you fish on. Has holographic eyes for the realistic look. Comes in around 15 different colors to choose from, and comes along with strong split rings as well. And it is a UV active lure. I'm not sure because I've not checked that out, so I'll give post you updates as and when I fish with this. Next thing that I got was the Lucana's Fish Gripper, the plastic variant, which is available in 4 different colors. I personally chose the red one because it's extremely bright, and if I suddenly lose it somewhere, it's visible to me in my eyes. So the stats are it's 25 centimeters, that's approximately around 9.4 inches, and it carries a weight of around 125 grams. And I like the hand grip ribbon that it gives to not allow it to fall down in between your handling of the fishes. I personally feel that it's very important for an angler to have a fish gripper in his tackle box, because regardless of the fish size that you land or handle, it's very important if you catching and releasing a fish for its survival and also for your protection, so that if the fish snaps, you do not have a medical emergency of the lure being snagged into your hands. So it's very important to keep this handy for any of your future fishing trips. The last thing I got was Lucana's lure box. It's a 7 into 7 compartment box. It has a great quality and also the excess water draining compartments as well. Again, a must have lure box for all the anglers for both sea and fresh water. If you like my video, please like, share, and subscribe to receive further notifications.